Hi students, further we'll concentrate on canteen costing or hotel costing. Hotel, canteen, you all know, so many times you have visited, right? So here it will help us to calculate cost per lunch, dinner, cost per cup of coffee, and so many charges whatever they are going to provide the services over there. And mainly it will help us to compare the cost between two canteens, okay? And to analyze the cost, these are the main objectives we are having here. Then collection, how we are going to concentrate the cost here to fix the prices. First one, provisions, means whatever the raw things we need to provide the food to the laborers. Secondly, labor, salary and wages for the supervisors, etc. Whatever, who is going to cook over there, who is going to supervise in the canteen, for all of them how much you are going to pay. Then fuel and power, gas, power, coal, fuel, steam, whatever you are using to maintain, to prepare foods in the canteens. Then consumable stores, so glassware, towels, tablecloth, cleaning materials, whatever they are going to use in the hotel or the canteen. Okay. Miscellaneous expense, nothing but rent, whatever they are going to provide for that building, and depreciation for that building or the furnitures, whatever they are having in their canteen, all those things. Then insurance. And next one will be credited if any charges they have made for any other sales, like other things, whatever the ready-made things they can sell in that canteen. Okay, so in canteen cost sheet we'll divide the cost into three categories. One is wages and salaries, second one provisions, and third one miscellaneous. Okay, wages and salaries means all the salaries will lies under here, all the salaries as well as wages. Provisions means all the raw things whatever they have brought. Then miscellaneous, all the things like gas and fuel, electricity, rent, consumable stores, tablecloths, etc. Okay, all means mainly we are going to divide it into three heads: wages and salaries, provisions and miscellaneous. Okay, if any company is going to provide the subsidy for that canteen, that is going to less here. Okay, then finally you'll get a sales value after adding the profit to your total cost. So we'll concentrate on the first problem here. A company runs a canteen, a company is having a canteen over here. Then it's a benefit to the workman, whatever they are there in the business, okay, whatever they are there in the company. So for the month, means all the whatever expenses they are given, it is for the month 2020. The following purchases were made. All these things they have purchased, raw things like tea powder, quantity of 4 kg, and rate per kg they have given, it is 40. All the things, sugar, milk, flour, dal, potato, green vegetables, all they have given. Just you have to multiply and write all the things because it is quantity and it is the rate per kg they have given. Then other expenses, whatever it is, auto charges, then salary, wages of 2 waiters. Okay, not a 1 waiter here, 2 waiters are there, 150 for each. Then supervisor salary, all the expenses they are given month only. If they'll give any expenses per year, you have to convert it for month. Okay, then depreciation for furniture directly they have given, it is 50 rupees, so no need to calculate. Prepare cost sheet and find out cost per customer charged by canteen. Assume that 3000 employees were working in a factory, means the factory which has a canteen, they have 3000 employees there. So first you have to prepare cost sheet here, so no need to calculate because we don't have any calculations much here. So what is the first one? We are having tea powder. Okay, tea powder, which you have to write under provisions. Tea powder 4 kg you are having into 40, 160. Sugar, all things are here only: sugar, milk, flour, oil, dal, potato and green vegetables. All you have to take it under provisions. Okay, which you are going to multiply with it: 100 into 3, 30 into 8, 30 into 30. All it is quantity and it is rate and quantity. Okay, which you have to multiply and write the amount. The next one they have given auto charges, which lies under miscellaneous. Here you should write auto charges rupees 20. The next one you are having salary of cook, salary, wages of 2 waiters, supervisor salary. All three lies under wages and salary here. Okay, cook only 1 we have, waiters we have 2, so 150 into 2 waiters. Supervisors it is 300. The next one, fuel, gas, coal 400 per month, which lies under miscellaneous here. Here it is. Then tablecloth 100 per month, so tablecloth here it is 100. Under miscellaneous you should take. Then depreciation, that also lies under miscellaneous expense 50. If you add all together you will get 4000 760. Okay, now we have to calculate cost per customer they can charge. Total cost divided by customers. So total cost we got 4760. Customers they have given, assume that there are 3000 employees, so divided by 3000. So per customer you'll get 1.59. okay, they can charge. I hope you understood. We'll move on to the second problem. Exactly, it is similar unlike the first one. 5000 workers are here, and all the purchases made they have given, quantity and rate, and other expenses also have salary, gas and water, tablecloth, wages of 3 waiters 200 each. Okay, then salary of supervisor, cook salary, with all 3 salaries you should take here. 3 waiters we are having, so 200 into 3, okay, 600. Then supervisors 800. Then provisions, all you had, they have given quantity and rate, both you have to multiply and write. All the provisions will lies here only. Then miscellaneous expenses, whatever they have given here, gas and water 500 per month, tablecloth 200. Then only 2 we are having, okay, gas and water and fuel. So altogether you will get 12,970. So cost per worker, how much you will get? Total cost divided by number of workers, 12,970 divided by 5000. So you will get 2.59 per worker. First you solve the first one, try to solve the second one, then go for then look after the solutions. Okay, try to solve it. If you get any doubt, get back to me. Okay, I hope you understood it.